How to remove vehicle from Geico. You can remove a vehicle from your Geico insurance policy through the following methods. First, open the Geico app. Then, navigate to Manage your policy. After that, select the vehicle you want to remove. Tap I want to. Choose Remove Vehicle. Online via the Geico Policy Service Center. Log into your Geico account on the Geico website. Access your insurance policy details. Look for the option to make changes to your policy, including removing a vehicle. You can call a Geico customer service representative 24/7. Inform them that you want to remove a vehicle from your policy. Typically, there is no cost associated with removing a vehicle from your insurance policy. In fact, you may see a decrease in your premium after removing the vehicle. However, if you're exploring cheaper insurance options, it's a good time to shop around and compare rates with other insurance companies. When making changes to your insurance policy, it's advisable to review your coverage needs and ensure you're getting the best price for your specific situation. I think you found this video informative. Thanks for watching.